Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to introduce you today to a website called Placeit.net. It's part of the Envato um, suite of platforms, and it's a really cool platform that's going to allow you to do mock-ups, logos, videos, designs, all sorts of stuff. I'm going to show you how I'm actually using it. If you decide to use it, it'd be awesome if you signed up via my partner link, which will be placeit.pnuk.co. So that's placeit.pnuk.co. I'll put a link in the description, but let me just show you through it and then you can decide. So let me show you how I'm using it. So obviously I've got the Happy Me project. For anybody who follows me, I'm running my own Happy Me Shopify store, my own Happy Me t-shirt company. So I don't want to just show you this is how you should do it for your business. This is how I'm using it for my business. And just on my own page, this is Placeit. This is Placeit. This is Placeit. And this again. And then this is my Instagram feed, right? So what I wanted was, so you see here the Fun in the Sun t-shirt. I wanted to get people in the t-shirts, even though I've only just started my t-shirt company. So a lot of people will share a picture like this on Facebook. Share the Fun in the Sun t-shirt and just say, here's a new t-shirt. But what you can do with Placeit is not only get a picture, but you can get a video as well. So let me just talk you through some of my stuff. I'll show you this in a second. So this, right? This Laugh, Care, Live. So this is, where are we on this? Laugh, Care, Live, this t-shirt, right? Which you can buy on Amazon. So what I've done is put it on a model, and then the t-shirt, you can change the colour, you add the logo, and then you can save the template, right? Which is really cool. Then obviously on something like Facebook, let me find that same picture on Facebook. Oh no, that's the Instagram picture. It's here. On Facebook and on Instagram, I can tag the image, look. Tag it. So there's the t-shirt. So now, as I say, I'm not just sharing a picture of the t-shirt. I'm sharing a picture of somebody in the t-shirt, although this person's never seen that t-shirt, never worn it. And then you can tag it, right? And again, if I go back to video, the video on Instagram's not as good, but I can. I'm gonna turn my audio off just because my computer might ping when an email comes through. So yeah, you can do a video, right? So if I go back to Facebook and show you, here's the video. Actually, it's in a better format. Here's that video. Here's another video. So now you're seeing my t-shirts moving with people looking like they hold them. And it is just a mock-up t-shirt, right? This one as well. So Happy Me t-shirts now being worn by people. It's a better way of doing it, isn't it? And again. So let me talk you through it. So all you've got to do is when you log in or you come to Placeit, you can work out what you want to do. If you want to just do a t-shirt picture where you put the t-shirt on somebody, or you want to do a video, or you want to do a book cover, anything you want to do. But we'll just run through it really quickly. I'll just play around and show you. I think it's really cool. So let's do mock-ups. Let's do a t-shirt mock-up, right? So if I use, I can pick a picture, right? So I can filter down to something on here. Obviously, this is that lady that I used before. Well, I'll show you how I did it just because you've seen this one, right? So I can click on this picture. What I really like is once I've uploaded the image, I don't know if I've got it on t-shirts over here, right? Where are we? Let me find it quick. Odds are I'll look through it and not see it. What was it? Laugh, Care, Live, right? You see, I've got all these different designs I'm working on because I'm trying to show you it as a real person, not just, this is what I think you should do for your business. This is what I'm doing for mine. So I upload my image, right? It's going to ask me to crop it. So once it's uploaded, I'll show you two really funky things that you can do as well. One being you can change the colour. So here's Laugh, Care, Live. I just want it to be a bit higher. I can make it smaller if I want. I'm going to generate that image. So this is obviously that picture. Oh no, I've changed. So Laugh Care Live, that's how I generated it, right? Really cool. If I want to change the t-shirt colour, just drop in really cool. Just change that obviously to what works for that t-shirt. Right, really cool pink. A little bit lighter. These have all got proper strange colour. Yo, that's light, man. Black t-shirts obviously sell very well. White t-shirts sell even better. But what I like at the bottom is it auto-generates all these other funky template mock-ups. Like I might want to use this one instead. And it'll jump in and share that one. Ah, that's cool, right? And then at the bottom it'll start generating them again. Even more options on that t-shirt, right? Even this one, so we might want this one. So once I'm happy with that t-shirt, all I do is download it, right? That's why I've turned the sound off. So Laugh Care Live, download, right? The $29 a month option gets you as many downloads as you want, right? So now what that'll do is it'll email me when it's ready, and I'll be able to upload it to Facebook or whatever I want to do, right? So now maybe I want to do it in a live t-shirt. Now what I do is I come down here, sell more tees with mock-up, video mock-ups, right? So I come and add a t-shirt, right? Again, I don't know why it tells me when I'm already logged in, but I can find a video, something like this. That's like a slip. There's the email saying that my t-shirt's ready. So I just download it. Open up there's that picture ready to go. Let's find a video that we like. Let's go with this. No, I want it to be something that they're going to be able to see. So you can filter down. You can, let's go. I like this goal with the fairground thing behind. Again, upload the image. I'll do the Laugh Care Live just because it's a demo. It will upload that, and then it will say generate. Right. So again, I might want to move it up a bit. Might want to make it smaller, bigger, depends how big your size is. Crop. Change the colour of the shirt. Oh, that's going to look nasty. Maybe it was that orange. And then you can change the sound as well. Let me turn this sound back on. I can also pick a sound for this video. Let me just turn the sound back up. So that's like the default sound, but I can pick a different sound. There's obviously thousands of... No. Very Christmassy. Yeah, I'm just going to select something to get us through this, and then in the videos you generate it. Doesn't quite do it as live as the mock-ups because there's obviously some funky back-end work going on. Let me turn my sound down so I don't deafen you. So there's the orange shirt and the sound. And again, download, no watermark, download, right? So now you've got an active t-shirt. You've got active things where people are being seen to be wearing them, even though it's just a template t-shirt. It's just a mock-up. Other options are to do things like book covers. I haven't really prepared for a book cover, but you'll see on Happy Me, is this Happy Me? I've got a book cover, Happy Me Must Read Books, right? I've got a mock-up where, for the Happy Me training, someone's looking at a Happy Me on a computer screen, right? So again, just mock-ups, but really cool. Where was I? Book cover. So I haven't got any book cover. But firstly, this is to create a book cover, right? So A Day of Rain out. Let's just grab this, right? A Day of Rain out of home, right? So I just download that. Obviously, I can change it. I could change it to. Let's get rid. Happy Me. That's the video just come through, right? I'll probably get one day at a time, something like that. A I'm really prepared for this. Maybe today. And I could change the title. I could change the size, the colour. Stick my name in. And download, right? So that's a book cover done. I could change the background over here if I wanted to have different options. I can change the colours. It's like a filter that, isn't it? It's the background, is it? Oh yeah, so I can put the background on wood rather than a solid colour. So you can play around with it, and when it comes through, I'll download it, and then we will go to Mockups. All right, so design. So you can, in the designs, you can do all these different flyers, advertisement, banners. You can do Facebook cover images, YouTube header images. You can create adverts for websites, all through using these templates. Just grab a template, edit it, and save it. It's all down for you to make, right? And then on the mockups, you can go and do, so we're going to do a book cover mockup, right? Book mockups, right? So if you've written a book, you've just created your book cover, and now you can use any of those covers that you've got on one of these pictures. I've used this one before, actually. You'll see, if I go back to my Instagram, you'll see that I've used that one for some training, right? This Born to Succeed training. So I used this very one. So it's just downloaded. Here's my book cover. I'm going to download it. And then I'm going to upload the image from my downloads. Placeit. And that will drop it on that book. I'm not sure the dimensions will match. Yeah, there's one thing with the book cover is it's... Oh, there you go. It's all right. You just make it bigger. You want to make sure it's right size, right? So there you go. Happy me, one day at a time. And all of a sudden you've got a book cover, and then you've got mock-ups as if people have actually purchased it. I'm just about to read this book, or I'm not sure you'd put that. Our book's going out today, or something like that. And again, it's going to give you these options below on what it would look like in a different format, like a binder, images. Again, you just download. Really cool. Did I click it then? Not sure I did. Free download. I like how it says free download when you pay $30 a month. So lots of different things you can use, lots of different mock-ups. There was a cup there, wasn't there? Mug mock-ups. If you sell mugs. I think anything like this where you're selling these kind of things, these print-on-demand things, you no longer need to get it into someone's hands to take a picture. You've got a mock-up, hundreds of thousands of mock-ups. Done. How long is it taking me to do that? It's just the fact it's $30 a month for some people might be questionable, but you've seen in, I've created. Let's put the video, right? Oh, that's the same thing. I must have clicked it twice. I've created all those things within like 10 minutes, so it's saving me time. I don't have, as a one-man army, time to do a separate picture. Or let me send this t-shirt out and get it into the hands of somebody, and get a picture, get a photographer. Same with the hats, right? The Happy Me hat came from the mock-ups. Design, hats, mock-ups, sorry, hats. Let's go hats, right? Book, iMac, tank top, hat. Right, so I did a hat. And it's this young lady here. I know it's a different picture, but we'll use that one. Upload the image. Freud. Oh man, I'm going to have to go back to my old Mac and find... come on. Find the image that I used. Happy me. Close this. Happy me logo. It's one of these. all of a sudden, when you do things like this, you end up with hundreds of different images and files and logos. Here we go, it'll be in here. Sorry. Just trying to show you exactly how I did it, but I've got to find that file. Happy Me Final Logo 2. It's going to upload that. I can make it a bit smaller. I can crop it. It does a cool thing where it does give it a bit of grain, like it's a threaded thing, which is cool. It isn't just dropping that logo on there and saying, you know, here you go. Oh, it's a little bit wrong colour for that, you know. Again, down here, it'll be making me other options. It'll be making me different ways. Do I prefer this one, this guy? And again, download and done. So I've probably not covered everything it can do. Obviously the videos, obviously Instagram videos that you might want. I haven't actually clicked on Instagram video. So yeah, if you were selling funky things on Instagram, you want to do adverts, you want to do Facebook adverts, you want to create a logo quick. So if I wanted to create a Happy Me logo instead of the one I've got, I might go, you know, we love Happy Me. That'll change that. That'll change that. We love Happy Me. I can change the header. Give it a different lion or a wolf, you know. So if you run a league or you run some sort of competition, you can give every team their own logo within minutes of just clicking in. You know. There we go. There's my hat lady, right? Young girl with a hat. Oh, download galore, right? Share it on Facebook. Done. Here's my logo. Finished. Done. Right. So yeah, I just think it's really cool. I'm paying for it. $29 a month. If you are thinking of giving it a trial, I mean, even if you just use it for a month and fire out loads of different content, and then, you know, cancel your membership, I guess. But I just think if you're in charge of social media, if you're trying to get more engagement, if you're trying to get better, funkier images out for your products, then you can't go wrong for $30 a month. Hope that helps. Sign up with Placeit through me, placeit.pn.uk, pn.uk. Oh my god. Placeit.pnuk.co is my partner link. Here comes my logo, right? Come on. And give it a play. Have a play around with it. If you don't want to use my partner link, it is just placeit.net. Dive in. You know, there's my logo. So within what we had there, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, I've got five. I didn't download the video. I've got a picture, book cover, somebody reading it, hat, and a new company logo. So I hope that helps. I hope it's fun for you, and you can go and have a play around with it and see what it can do for you. I'm here for any questions. I may put some training together on how to use everything, but I think it's that easy that you won't need me to give you any training. But this is part of the Happy Me project. This is I'm building out, you know, the Happy Me website and a Shopify store. I'm also showing how I sell things via Amazon. You know, how I on my Shopify store have an Amazon button to go and buy it on Amazon. How I'm linking it to Facebook, linking it to Instagram, and really doing it for you to see me practically doing it, not just me giving you advice, say do this, do that. I think you can see that I'm doing it. I'm practicing what I preach. I'm using these tools and businesses, products that I recommend, you know, because I think it'll save you time, which saves you money, and they give you great value. So give it a try, have some fun. Let me know what you think. See you soon, guys. Cheers.